Now the topic is acids. Children, acids are the substances which are sour in taste and corrosive in nature. Now in the table some commonly available edible acids are given. For example, citrus fruits. Citrus fruits contain citric acid, and fermented milk. Fermented milk contains lactic acid. Vinegar contains acetic acid, and apple contains malic acid. Tamarind contains tartaric acid. Similarly, these are the edible acids. Now, children's ions. Ions, these are the charged atoms or group of atoms. The atoms or group of atoms carrying a charge is known as ions. And the ions, these are of two types, cations and anions. Cations means these ions have positively charged ions are called cations, and negatively charged ions are called anion. For example, hydrogen is cation and hydride ion is anion. All acids contain hydrogen atom, and these hydrogen atom in the aqueous solutions are present in electrically charged form, means ions. Hydrogen atom is present in the form of hydrogen ion, and this production of hydrogen ion when dissolved in water make the substance behave like an acid, means acid behave like acid because of hydrogen ion. By the reaction you get more clear. HCl. HCl is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. When it dissolves in water, it produces hydrogen ion and chloride ion. The reaction is in the both direction can take place, as hydrogen ion and chloride ion they combine to form HCl, hydrochloric acid again. Children, acids they may be strong and weak acids. These are of two types, strong acids and weak acid. Strong acids, so they produce more hydrogen ion and dissociate completely on dissolving in water. So they are called strong acid. Sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acids. So these acids produce hydrogen ion, more and more hydrogen ion, and dissociate into ion completely. So they are strong acid. Whereas some acid don't dissociate completely on dissolving in water, and they produce less hydrogen ion, so they are called the weak acid. Examples are acetic acid and lactic acid. Acetic acid and lactic acids are weak acid because they produce less hydrogen ion as compared to hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. Yes, the next topic is organic and inorganic acid. Children, organic acids, they are edible acids and found in the living things. These acids contain carbon as a constituents. All the plant and animal materials, these acids are found. For example, citric acid, formic acid and acetic acid. Citric acid, this is found in the citrus fruit. Acetic acid is found in the vinegar, and formic acid is found in insect bite. Whenever any insect bite, its bite contain formic acid. So these acids are naturally occurring and they are weak acid, and that's why we use them as food supplement. We are using lemon juice as a food supplement. In the salad we also use that. Inorganic acid or mineral acid, on the other hand, are prepared from minerals present in the earth crust, and they are highly corrosive. These acids have to be handled with care because they are highly corrosive and they are prepared from the minerals found in the earth crust. For example, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acids, so they are prepared in the laboratory as well as in the industry. Acids, on dissolving in water, dissociate into cations and anions. and because their solution contains ions, so they conduct electricity and hence they behave as electrolytes. Acids in the aqueous form behave like electrolytes. Now, some of the commonly used acids are shown in the table. Sulfuric acid, its formula is H2SO4. Hydrochloric acid, its formula is HCl. Nitric acid, its formula is HNO3. Phosphoric acid, its formula is H3PO4. Carbonic acid, its formula is H2CO3, and acetic acid CH3COOH. Metals react with acids to varying degree. Children, we have studied this in the chapter metals react with acid. Metals reacts with acid to produce hydrogen gas and some salt, and these salt may be toxic. You have seen your mother or grandmother to store pickles and fruit juices and tomato ketchup in glass bottle, not in a metal container, because she knows the acid present in these react with the metal and produce toxic substances. Now the topic is acid rain. Children, in the atmosphere, many air pollutants get accumulated. Air pollutant like nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxide, carbon dioxide. And when these air pollutant gases react with the moisture of the cloud, then they produce acid. And when the rain comes, this acid come down, okay, and in the form of the acid rain. The acid rain is highly corrosive, and the first rain may be acidic rain because it contains air, the dissolved air pollutant in the form of acid. Acid rain is harmful for all living beings, plants, animals, human beings, and for the buildings also. They cause corrosion of the buildings and they damage the buildings also.